What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. This is the Seller Success 101 course. It is a series of courses that I'm putting together to help resellers be able to look at their numbers and make strategic decisions based off of their numbers and their data. The 101 course is a beginner level course. If you are somewhat familiar with your data, you know your numbers, and this is the course to start with. If you're still a little timid about your numbers, the fundamental course is the course to start with. As a trained teacher, I've built a course that hits on multi-dimensional functions. I deliver the content to you, you practice the content, we learn how to use Google Sheets to also look at our data, manipulate the data, as well as doing reflections on what we've learned and then taking quizzes as well to really make sure that you truly understand the basics of data analytics so that you can move forward into these future courses that I have, as well as really be able to understand how to use your numbers to be able to make the money that you want to make and empower yourself to make the decisions. This is not a financial or accounting course. It's going to empower you to be able to look at your numbers. So regardless of what's changing in the market, what new trends come out, what new platforms come out, being able to look at your numbers and truly understanding what they're telling you is going to be able to allow you to make that money that I know that you can make. It's not just me saying it though. Let's hear from some actual users.
I just took the Seller Success course, so I just wanted to share my experience with it a little bit. Before taking the course, I didn't have any of the dashboards from Sarah's
I do not. I have no background in mathematics or data collection whatsoever.
I don't own any of the dashboards yet. So
What I liked about the course was it was able to be broken down into step-by-step pieces and directions. And I like that Sarah kept saying during the course, stop and write it down. Put it on your Google spreadsheet, and she showed us exactly how to do it on the spreadsheet, on the Google Sheets.
That honestly was kind of one of my favorite parts of it because I don't know how to do all that Excel, Google Sheets, formula stuff, so that was really kind of fun to learn. Took me a couple tries on some of those, but I mean, you can just rewind and try it again.
I absolutely loved the practice and reflect portions. I believe that hands-on and going back and doing the actual thing that you are learning and reflecting back on that helps you understand exactly what you're learning and retain it. I believe that is an excellent part of the course, and I think that will help so many resellers and business owners.
My favorite part of the course was when Sarah talked about figuring out how to know when you should hire someone into your business. And she laid it out very simply. And that was really helpful to me because that was something that I had been thinking about.
To me, it felt like I was in the classroom learning, which I enjoy. And it felt like Sarah was the teacher, like walking the class through concepts, doing practice problems, explaining things to us. I think this course, along with the Sales and Trends dashboard, will definitely help me focus more on what's important in my business and increase my sales.
The only number I'm concerned about is my profit. But your numbers and you showing me how to cut and paste the PoshMark and the eBay reports into your dashboard has really helped me figure out how to get my profit higher.
I really liked seeing how you could take numbers about the handle of information and actually turn it into something useful that you can look at in your business and say, hey, I'm doing this right, or hey, I should not be doing this.
Increasing profits section, because like I said, that's really what we're here for. No matter why we're doing this, what do we want to do? We want to increase profits. We want to make the most money out of what we can, right?
90% of users that have taken this course have said that it is going to help them make more money. So I look forward to seeing you in the course and helping you on your reselling journey and to make the money that I know that you can make. Sarah Styles, where data empowers true potential, and I teach you the power of your numbers.